Hello everyone, welcome to FoneGeek channel. iTunes error 3004 will probably occur after the upcoming iOS 15 update. To help you to fix this problem in the near future, here come 6 ways for iTunes error 3004. Keep watching please. First, check the USB cable and port. Second, force restart the iPhone. Force restarting your iPhone is a simple but effective method to fix iPhone error 3004. And the method varies between different iPhone models. Third, clear Safari history and website data. Clearing Safari and website history can help fix iTunes error 3004 because it can wipe out the possible interruptions of some malicious websites. Fourth, update to the latest version of iTunes. Fifth, check the internet connection. Sometimes the network connection error is the one that should be blamed. Connect your computer as well as your iPhone/iPad to a known good network, and test restoring or updating again. If the methods above don't work, you can use one professional tool to help you downgrade or upgrade your iOS without data loss. This tool is FoneGeek iOS System Recovery. It can fix almost all the iOS device errors you may encounter in just a few clicks. To use this software, you need to download it and launch it on your computer. Then follow the steps below.